Welcome to Roll and Write. Let's do a quick tutorial to get you up and playing as quickly as possible. This is a purpose-built PDF annotation and dice rolling app just for Roll and Write RPGs. I've already got a game loaded up in here, so let's go ahead and tap into that. Now on the right-hand side, you'll see my dice roller. I've got a default set that I already created here. I can roll all those dice, and you see it totals it up for me, or I could select individual dice from that, and I could roll just those. It'll show you each dice as well as the value that it rolled. Now on the left-hand side, I have my actual PDF. I can pan and scroll and zoom with my fingers, and of course, I can come in here and I can draw. Now, what's awesome about Roll and Write is that these drawings, the roll history, all of my dice sets are stored in our custom Roll and Write.R&R files, and you're not actually annotating the PDFs. You're actually drawing on top of a transparent canvas, and then we store all of those drawings in a complex file along with the PDFs and the dice history all inside of that one file. So it's a portable file. You can store and sync that however you want. Let's go ahead and show you what it would look like to create a new game session though. We're going to go ahead and name this Dungeon Pages. And one of the unique features of Roll and Write is that you can have multiple PDFs inside of one game session. So I'm going to add my rules. And then I will also add our core set of dungeons here. Let's hit create. Now at the top I have these tabs, and I can tap one of the tabs and I can select another PDF to view at the exact same time. I can actually have 3 to 4 PDFs up. Every single game session comes with a journal page. This is just 50 blank pages for you to draw maps, create character sheets, or just doodle if you'd like to. Let's go ahead and kill that tab, and we'll just go to our rules, zoom in here to see how many dice we need to get started. Let's open our first dungeon and create some dice sets. Now I believe I need 1d6 to start for my evil dice. So let's go ahead and tap that and hit create. And then I will also create our good dice. Give it that blue color, another d6. Now in your dice roller, you can select a single dice set, or you can select multiple and then roll all the sets. It will show you in the colors here below exactly what values you got for each dice set, and then in the dice pool it tells you what your total roll value was. So I got a 5 and a 4, which is perfect. Let's go ahead and jot those down. 5 and then 4. Now let's say that I want to mark these as used so that I know that I've already used those dice, and let's roll again. All right, we got a 6 and a 2. You know, I don't really want that 2, so I'm going to go ahead and increase that by 1 to 3, and I can decrease that by 1 as well. All of this is stored in the file, so the next time you load this up, your drawings and your dice history will all be marked here. I can also go in and toggle on this shape and line correction. So if I wanted to come up here, let's say I have unlocked this lightning bolt and I want a nice clean line, it will automatically correct that for me. I can also circle things or draw a square and it will automatically fix those shapes for me. So a really great way to keep your character sheets and dungeons nice and clean looking. Hopefully this was a great overview of the Roll and Write app, and I'm excited to see how y'all use it.